Jupiter, the king of the solar system. Jupiter. A name that evokes power, majesty, and mystery. Named after the king of the Roman gods, Jupiter is the monarch of our solar system, the largest, most massive planet orbiting our Sun. But its size is only the beginning of its story. A planet of immense scale. Jupiter is a giant among planets. It has a diameter of about 142,984 kilometers, 88,846 miles, more than 11 times that of Earth. You could fit over 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter's massive volume. Its mass is 318 times that of Earth, and in fact, it's so massive that if Jupiter had been about 80 times heavier, it could have ignited nuclear fusion and become a star. Despite its enormous size, Jupiter spins incredibly fast, completing a rotation in just under 10 hours, making it the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. This rapid spin flattens the planet slightly, causing it to bulge at the equator and flatten at the poles. The atmosphere, a roiling canvas of chaos. Jupiter's atmosphere is a kaleidoscope of violent weather systems. It is dominated by bands of clouds, called zones and belts, running parallel to its equator. These bands are created by powerful jet streams blowing in opposite directions. The colors browns, reds, whites, and yellows are caused by chemical reactions of compounds like ammonia and sulfur in the upper atmosphere. And then, there's the Great Red Spot, perhaps the most iconic feature on Jupiter. This is a massive, high-pressure storm system that has persisted for centuries. It's more than 16,000 kilometers, 10,000 miles wide, large enough to fit Earth inside it. Winds inside the storm reach speeds of up to 430 kilometers h, 270 miles per hour. Although it's been shrinking in recent decades, no one knows if or when it will ever disappear. Elsewhere on Jupiter, storms come and go rapidly. Some grow large enough to rival continents. Thunderstorms with lightning 10 times more powerful than Earth's flash within the deep clouds. No solid ground, just depth. Jupiter is a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen about 90% and helium about 10%, similar to the Sun. There is no solid surface. As you descend into the atmosphere, the pressure increases to crushing levels. The hydrogen gas becomes compressed into a liquid, and deeper still, into a strange, metallic form, metallic hydrogen capable of conducting electricity. Beneath the immense pressure and heat lies a mysterious core, possibly made of rock and ice, surrounded by dense metallic hydrogen. But this core remains unconfirmed, a realm hidden beyond direct reach. A magnetic giant. Jupiter's magnetic field is the strongest of any planet, over 20,000 times more powerful than Earth's. It creates a magnetosphere that stretches millions of kilometers into space, trapping charged particles and generating intense radiation belts. This makes the space around Jupiter one of the most hostile places in the solar system. Its poles are lit by stunning auroras, far more powerful than those on Earth. These lights, created by the interaction of charged particles with Jupiter's upper atmosphere, shimmer and dance constantly even in the absence of solar wind. The moons, a kingdom of worlds. Jupiter is orbited by at least 95 known moons, forming a miniature solar system of its own. The four largest, the Galilean moons, discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610, are worlds of extraordinary interest. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, with hundreds of erupting volcanoes spewing sulfur and lava. Europa, a smooth, icy moon, is believed to harbor a liquid water ocean beneath its frozen shell. It is one of the most promising places in the solar system to search for alien life. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than Mercury, and is the only moon known to generate its own magnetic field. Callisto, ancient and heavily cratered, may also have a subsurface ocean beneath its crust, protected from radiation by its distance from Jupiter. Each of these moons could be the subject of a full documentary in its own right. Jupiter's role in the solar system. Jupiter is not just a massive body floating in space, it plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the solar system. Its powerful gravity shapes the orbits of asteroids and deflects comets, protecting the inner planets from frequent catastrophic impacts. Some researchers even believe that without Jupiter, life on Earth might not have had a chance to evolve. It also influences the orbits of its fellow planets subtly but continuously, acting as a cosmic anchor. Exploration, unlocking secrets. Several spacecraft have visited Jupiter, most notably Pioneer, Voyager, Galileo, and Juno. NASA's Juno mission, launched in 2011, is still orbiting Jupiter today, sending back high-resolution data about the planet's structure, atmosphere, and magnetic environment. Future missions, like ESA's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer JUICE and NASA's Europa Clipper, aim to explore the Galilean moons in detail, especially the subsurface oceans of Europa and Ganymede. A celestial giant with endless mysteries. Jupiter is more than just a planet, it's a cosmic wonder. A world of superlatives, it stands as a gatekeeper, a storm world, a gas leviathan that teaches us what planets can be. It reminds us of the scale of the universe, and of how much there is still to learn. Looking at Jupiter even through a backyard telescope is a humbling experience. It stirs something ancient and awe-inspiring in us, a reminder that we are tiny, but curious, fragile, but persistent, and always reaching for the stars. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming informative video. Thanks.